Have you ever wondered why someone would ditch popular closed-source apps and opt for less familiar open-source alternatives? What do they stand to gain by switching sides? Well, today that's what we are going to be looking at. 5 reasons why you could consider switching to open-source apps. Mind you, if switching would affect your workflow, you could just continue with what suits you. We're still on the 5 reasons why you could consider switching to open-source apps. At number 1, privacy and control. One thing I hate about closed-source apps is that they hide what they do with your data. Sometimes data is sent back to its developers. This can include usage patterns, browsing history, location, error reports, etc. Sometimes this feature is enabled by default or by mistake on the user side. Not everyone likes their privacy being monitored. For such a user, it is a no-no. Open source, on the other hand, every line of code is public, hence no hidden trackers. Apps like Signal for messaging or Bitwarden Password Manager prove transparency and trust. At number 2, escape vendor lock-in. Ever felt held hostage by your software? That's vendor lock-in. Proprietary apps often employ these tactics: unique file formats, forced subscriptions, or discontinuing old versions. You're always one price hike or discontinued feature away from disaster. With open source like LibreOffice or GIMP, your files are yours. Use them anywhere forever. No ransom payments, just freedom. Taking the 3rd place, no more paywalls or subscriptions. It is not called open source for no reason. Everything is free. You get full access to every feature. No freemium traps, no ads, no surprise charges. Tools like Thunderbird or VLC aren't just free, they're powerhouse alternatives. It can save you hundreds of dollars a year. At number 4, reliability and longevity. Apps are usually made for profit. Has your favorite app been discontinued? Or do you want more features that have not been added? Open source is your best choice. With open source, AppSupport lives as long as users care. If you want additional features, you can either request or build them yourself and share them with others for free. Closed-source apps, on the other hand, vanish if profits dip. Projects like Firefox or Audacity survive decades because end users drive them, not shareholders. Finally, at number 5, ethics empowerment. Using open source is a stand against monopolies, surveillance, and exploitation. Projects like Firefox and Nextcloud resist monopolistic practices by putting control back in users' hands. You're not just a consumer, you're part of a movement prioritizing user rights over profit. Open source isn't just about saving money, it's about reclaiming sovereignty over your digital life. Ready to start? Explore alternatives at Alternative 2 or Privacy Tools and join a community where software serves you, not shareholders.